In front of me is Honor View 20 and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by launching messages and selecting or creating a chat. Then use this icon of a camera at the bottom left corner. And if your photo is recent, click on it over here. If it's not, select Gallery section. Look for it here and tap on it to attach it. Then tap on the back button. If you can't find it even in this Gallery section, tap on it again. Select Folders and click on Images at the top. You can also click on one of those apps or select those three lines at the top left corner and pick one of those sources. Either way, after locating your photo, just hold it and tap on Done at the top right corner to add it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!